central Kentucky,
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Oldham County in central Kentucky, northwestern Shelby County in central Kentucky, southwestern Henry County in central Kentucky, northeastern Jefferson County in central Kentucky, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Anchorage, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
is likely.
Tree damage
These
is
dangerous
likely.
storms will be near. Long range around 5.
Long range around 5:30 p.m.
Oh my God,
Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Newcastle. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.